How do you create an affiliate program agreement? Being one of the cornerstones of any affiliate program, this agreement is a must-have. And in the next couple of minutes, I will explain what it is, how it works, and how to put one together. Whether you call it an operating agreement, terms and conditions, contract, terms of service, in essence, we are talking about the same thing. The document that spells out rules and policies of an affiliate program. It's a contract between a brand and the affiliates that it accepts into its affiliate program. Now, you've heard me mention two things, rules and policies. Policies outline how things are done within an affiliate program. There will be both broad policies such as your payment policy or your promotional policy, and there will be much more specific ones like your attribution policy or policy about self-referred orders or those placed through their own affiliate links, so that affiliates may or may not place their own orders through their own links. Now, rules, on the other hand, are what's okay and what's not okay for affiliates to do. Examples of rules would be your paid search restrictions and your email marketing rules, your coupon code rules, and your rules on disclosures. On clear reasons, video is not the best format for me to provide you with a template of an affiliate program agreement, but I am supplying you with a link to one right under this video in the description field. Now, for brands, there are two things that I must underscore before I let you go. Number one, don't fly without an agreement. There are affiliate programs out there that operate without an affiliate program agreement in place. That's no good. After all, what you are doing, you're entrusting your affiliates with your most valuable asset, your brand. Are you sure that you do not need a contract that governs how they may or may not market you? And secondly, police compliance. Having an affiliate program agreement there is great, but it never guarantees affiliate compliance with its rules and policies. What it does, though, it gives you a solid foundation to police and enforce compliance. Yet, compliance policing and enforcement is something that has to be done on top of having that agreement in place. Once again, you may find a link to a template of an agreement right under this video, and should you have any questions, post them right there under this video. No comment will remain unanswered.